Yo, what's up? It's CryptoBobs here. Guys, ito, hindi to update but it's kind of, negative feedback, negative news. Okay, a lot of people, especially those mga influencers, hindi lahat, are spreading information about scams. So, hindi lang yung Pixel Tap, Hamster Combat, and Tap Swap yung tinitira nila. And other also, Tap to Earn. Kasi nga, it is based on their observation. Diba? Sa mga nangyayari. Previously kasi, I think that was June. Sabi ko doon, I think I have one content, sabi ko na something na may mangyayari by July kung hindi mamimit ng mga top to earn itong expectation ng mga user or ng mga players about airdrops, no? So, yun na nga, nag-airdrop na nga si Pixel Tap of Pixelverse, which is hindi happy yung community. Kasi nga, number one, hindi transparent. At saka yung eligibility is different from what is really happening, no? Or what is really happened. And also guys, meron pang staking at saka 10% na yung makukuha mo if you pull out mo. But anyway, that's how the company or sa side ng project, kung paano nila i-defend or i-protect yung project nila para hindi magiging useless at the end, no? So, yung opinion naman natin about Hamster Combat, guys, kasi nga, di ba, we are all waiting for the best thing to come about the airdrops, no? Which is, yung pinaka-hint natin by this July, yun yung magiging first airdrop ni Hamster Combat. We still have time, nasa 20 pa naman, 22 or, yeah, naman tayo ngayon. 20, ano nga ba time na yun? Yes, it's 21 pa tayo na ngayon by July. We still have time until the end of July. So, we are hoping na mag-airdrop si Hamster Combat. But the question is, ano ba talaga yung magiging eligibility? Right? So, lumabas naman yung PPH, di ba? So, alam naman natin na yung sinabi nila na yung magiging eligibility or magiging requirements natin for the airdrops. And ngayon, lumabas yung key. So, ayun na, may mga another expectation and speculation naman tayo dito kung ano yung magiging eligibility. So, and other top to earn guys, so far ngayon is nag-hold back sila to release the airdrops, and as well, they are trying to build up or make revenues in other ways like YouTube. Siguro, that's one way then instead of magpe-pre-sale sila or di kaya mag-release ng mga NFT sales or token sales, doon sila kumukuha ng revenue nila from other source guys like YouTube channel. So, yun na nga, number one dito guys, free lang naman to. Yan, yung pinaka-basic dito guys, wala tayong nilabas na pera and hindi tayo bumili ng token, hindi naman tayo nag-invest dito, it's free lang. But still, kasi nga, dahil nag-trending siya, we are hoping for the best na may makukuha tayo dito. But yun na, nasampulan na tayo ni Pixelverse at sa Pixel Tap. And siguro ito nagiging epekto na din to or malaking effect to sa community. And maybe yung community ngayon is also looking the same thing na will happen sa mga incoming na airdrop ng Tap to Earn. But yung iba naman guys, nakikita ko may mga project naman na Tap to Earn which is they're offering 90% of the airdrops towards the community. Ito kasi si Hamster Combat is switch from the tokenomics, no? 1% lang yung nilagay dun sa airdrop. But then again, guys, hindi pa natin alam what will be the token ng blockchain. It's either HMSTR ba yung magiging airdrop ni Hamster Combat or meron pang another token ng blockchain. So yun hindi natin alam, guys. But so yun na nga, no. For now, since it's free, kung na-enjoy naman natin yung ginagawa natin from time to time, kumbaga we just spend a little time for this one. Actually, marami naman talagang top tour na pwede natin na workout. But guys, pinaka-importante dito is learning, no? Dito tayo magli-learn kung ano pwede natin ma-learn, no? From the blockchain itself, from the cryptocurrency, kung paano kung ano yung mga Telegram applications, bot, and everything, guys. So, siguro yun lang muna yung magiging profit natin dito, yung learnings. So, try natin, guys, i-expand yung ano natin, yung knowledge natin about the Web3. Kasi yung iba nga dito hindi nga alam paano ano yung wallet, yung Web3 wallet, no? And dito lang nila nalaman na meron palang ganon, meron blockchain and everything, guys. So whatever the outcome of these projects of the Tap to Earn, guys, hopefully yung pinaka the best thing we can get here is our learnings. So yun lang ang makukuha natin na maybe probably magagamit natin for the next or for the near future. So, whatever na makukuha natin from this Tap to Earns, it's either papaldo tayo or papaldon tayo, guys. Hanap na lang tayo way on how to enjoy these projects. Kasi ako nga, medyo nanghihina na din ako to see those people are nagpo-post ng mga negative feedback about the Tap to Earn. So, ayoko din mangyari na we as also trying to give you the idea about the Tap to Earn, like nagko-content na about nito, and then at the end of the day puro lahat pala to mga paldon, so a lot of people will not be happy about it. So affected din kami, guys, no? So that's the only opinion from me, and I am hoping, guys, na sana may isang project dyan or maybe one project na magpaldon tayo, magpaldo tayo, guys, at kikita tayo dito. Ayun, good luck sa lahat, guys.